morning, pickers. It's Talissa from Turnkey. Over the next several days, I will be giving you tours of our very sought-after, much-anticipated farm sale in Cabot. We are at 422 Marwood Road in Cabot, Pennsylvania, on an immaculate farm that is boasting antiques and treasures throughout the home and the outbuildings. This will be entrance number 1. Come on in. Our entry room will have dozens of chocolate molds, an amazing primitive corner cabinet, hand-painted furniture, and primitives throughout. This will be the theme in entrance number 1. Come on into our kitchen. It's still a work in progress. And here you'll find some cast iron bottles, lampshades, the start of our flow blue. Another amazing corner cabinet. I believe this home has 4 primitive corner cabinets. Take a look at this early dry sink and the early American crocks. If you take a look at this kitchen table, this was made especially for our client from a quilt rack. Follow me into the dining room, where you'll find a hutch table. This is from the 1800s. It tilts. This is more of our collection of flow blue in the corner cabinet. Pie safe. And more flow blue in the step back. We continue with our crocks and the dollhouse collection. There are many. Next, you can join me in the enclosed porch. Dollhouses, hand-woven baskets, painted armoires, decoys. We have Hubley in this room, pewter in this room, and we begin our collection of dolls. And here you'll find the tiniest. Join me in my favorite room of the farm. Woo. Come on in. Hand-woven baskets. You'll find a powder flask, silver, lanterns, beaded purses. Another dry sink, miniatures. Take a look at this bookshelf. Metal wind-up toys and other antique toys. And we continue with our doll and bear collection. And this stunning apothecary cabinet. More crocks. And you will see the start of our quilt collection. There's dozens. We'll see you at 422 Marwood Road in Cabot on October 7th and 8th. See you at the sale.